For this tasty recipe, you'll need 3 ingredients, that is 6 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of long life milk. First thing, we'll divide our recipe into 3 different and easy parts. So, step 1, preparing the bananas. Let's start by preparing the bananas for our recipe. Begin by peel off all the bananas, removing the skins completely. Once peeled, place the bananas on a clean cutting board. Next, we need to chop the bananas into round, bite-sized portions. Using a sharp knife, carefully slice each banana into evenly sized rounds. Aim for pieces that are approximately half an inch thick. These pieces should be small enough to fit comfortably into your blender, but large enough to handle easily. As you chop the bananas, place the pieces in a bowl. This will definitely help to keep your workspace organized and ensure that all the banana pieces are ready for the next step. If you have not yet subscribed, I highly recommend that you do so. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell to stay updated with all of Almasi's latest videos. By subscribing, you will never, and I mean never, miss out on any new content, exciting recipes, or helpful tips. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue creating great videos for you to enjoy. Don't miss out. So, this is your time. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Step 2. Blending the bananas. With the bananas ready, it is time to move on to the blending process. Place the banana slices into your blender. Make sure not to overfill it, though it's better to blend in batches if necessary to achieve a smooth consistency. Secure the lid on the blender and blend the bananas until they reach a creamy, smooth texture. Depending on your blender, this may take a minute or 2. You can stop and scrape down the sides of the blender as you need to ensure all pieces are evenly blended. And finally, step 3. Using the blended bananas. Once your bananas are as well blended exactly to a smooth consistency, they are ready to be enjoyed as a perfect banana smoothie. Their rich, sweet flavor and creamy texture make it delightful treat on its own. Simply pour the blended bananas into a glass and enjoy. You can also add a few ice cubes, a splash of milk, or a cinnamon sprinkle to enhance the flavor. This simple and nutritious smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast, snack, or dessert. Enjoy your delicious banana smoothie. Thanks.